Inside this ultra-exclusive facility, every Bugatti is built entirely by hand.
The heart of every Bugatti begins with a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque.
Every millimeter is measured to perfection before assembly begins.
The legendary W16 engine is assembled piece by piece with surgical precision. Each engine undergoes rigorous testing before entering the vehicle.
Scanning complete. Structural integrity 100%.
The engine is carefully integrated into the chassis with exact alignment.
Advanced suspension and braking systems ensure ultimate control at extreme speeds.
Thousands of electrical connections are installed for flawless performance.
Interior components are installed, combining comfort with advanced technology.
Every interior is handcrafted using the finest materials in the world. Lightweight body panels are assembled with absolute precision. Multiple layers of paint create the iconic Bugatti finish. Every component is checked to ensure perfection without compromise.
Performance testing guarantees unmatched power and stability.
Each car is driven and tested to confirm real-world performance. The finished masterpiece is prepared for global delivery.
From factory to customer, every Bugatti completes a journey as exclusive as the car itself.